Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Kodisa. I'm your host Utpal, and today we'll be looking at lead code 9, that is palindrome number. Okay, so I hope you guys remember what is a palindrome. So palindrome is basically something which is same when we reverse its characters or digits. Basically, it will be same if we are traversing it from beginning to the end, and it will be same if you reverse it, or basically if you do it from end to the beginning, it will still be same. Okay. So let us read through the problem first. Okay. So given an integer x, return true if x is a palindrome, else false. Okay. So for example, a palindrome will be like this, like 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. So if you reverse it, it will still be same, like 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. So basically, if it is a string, let's say Aurora, if we reverse it, it will still be same, Aurora. Fine. So these are examples of palindrome number and palindrome string. Okay. So we are given a number. Let's look at the test cases 1 to 1. So if we reverse it, it will still be 1 to 1. And that's why it is a palindrome number. But if you look at this negative number minus 1 to 1. So if we reverse it, it will be like 1 to 1 minus. That's why it will not be a palindrome number. So let us try to code it. And we will try to do this in a single line because Python lets us to do this in a single line and it's very easy. Fine. Let us start coding. So return true if we'll convert the number to a string, but because it will be easier to reverse it. So str of x is equal to str of x. Then if you remember, we knew how to reverse a string using colon minus 1. If both the things are equal, then it's palindrome and we return true. Else we will return false. Okay, great. So now let us run the code. Great. It is working as expected. Let me submit it. I hope it gets accepted. Great. It got accepted. I hope you guys understood this problem and do like and share and subscribe to my channel. It will motivate me more. And thanks. We'll meet again next time. Thank you.